Welcome everybody to Big 5 Electronics. I'm here to introduce you to a few different options for headrest monitors. The first is a VHD70CC. The next model is a VH90CC. And the last model is the SHAD9H. These are all headrests that are by Soundstream. So the first headrest that we have here is a VHD70CC. This piece has a built-in DVD player. It has HDMI as well as USB and auxiliary. It also comes with 3 different color skins. So you have a black, a tan, and a light gray color as well. Now this piece comes in with and without DVD. So if you go with 2 DVD option, you can watch 2 different sources or 2 different types of movies on each headrest. You can also go with a mirroring slave monitor, which in this case I've displayed the 9-inch version. This one does not have DVD, but it is also available in a 7-inch. And this one will display, as a slave, will display whatever you have on this particular monitor that has a DVD. Whatever you're playing here will play on the slave. Or you can use a composite video cable such as the PAC IS-HD01, which you can view in one of our other videos, that you can use in the video input for this one to play videos as well if you don't want to go with the DVD option. That's a little bit more involved because it's a headrest piece. Whereas doing a DVD is a much easier option. And again, both of these are available in 7 and 9-inch versions with and without DVD. The last option that we have here is for vehicles that you cannot remove your headrest. So vehicles that have motorized headrests that the headrests don't actually get removed, you can use this piece. This piece also comes with 3 different color skins. This is a hard shell case, and it comes in the, again, gray, tan, and black. This one has a built-in DVD, USB, and it also has a HDMI input, which is what we're using right now. So you can see the HDMI cable, which then is plugged into a HDMI converter for an iPhone, and right now the iPhone is playing on this particular screen right here. The resolution is very good, and the video playback is also very nice. So those are basically the options that you guys have for headrest monitors. A lot of people ask for different options for headrests, and so I figured we'd do a video about it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment sections. If you guys like the video, go ahead, like, and join us next time. Thank you.